Hey, welcome to Luke's Man Cave. This is episode 13 of the big Christmas build, Roll VT. Welcome to this episode, season finale of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage. The big Christmas build that took slightly longer than the Crimo Limbo. We're now mid-March, but she's done. We've test driven, passed MOT, had the tracking done. We've been out for a decent test drive. I'm so stoked. I've got the new buyer coming. She's perfect. We have achieved what we set out to achieve, which was to put a dead car back on the road, and she is, in my opinion, better than when she came out of the factory. Rear suspension on this model 36 is a vast improvement over the previous model 3 Series. The lead designers of the E36 were Pinky and Doike. The M52 engine has a compression ratio of 10.5 to 1, giving it a total output of 240 horsepower. Uniroll Rain Sport 5s are the best smelling tyre due to their natural rubber content. So we've been waffling bollocks and I'm a little bit parched. Beer assistant? Thank you. A lot of people have taken the mickey out of me for how much I've spent on my Christmas build here. It was supposed to be a quick, easy job to get it out the door. And with the power of post-production here, so I paid £200 for a non-rolling shell. A couple of years ago, we went and picked it up, pulled it onto the trailer, and then it sat there. I didn't know what I wanted to do. Was we going to turbo build it? But I did know that I needed this shell in my life because it was so clean. There was one patch of rust the size of a 50p piece, and that was it. I've never seen a 36 this clean. The panels, because it came panels, I paid £200. Interior, £600. Had the interior retrimmed, was £400. The donor car, so the 2.8 and the axles and the front and rear subframes, engine, that was £800. I spent £1,000 on the paint. The detail was £250, so that was the mopping and polishing. Wheels cost me £110. The tyres were £400 total. I spent a lot of the little niff-naffs and trims and stuff. I spent £1,200 with BMW for all the clips and stuff. Watch the other episodes. The gearbox conversion was £350. I spent £450 on the Superflex bushes. The windscreen, this includes taking out the glass so we could paint, was £200. The coilovers, I'm not really supposed to tell you how much the coilovers cost because they were cheap. They were £700, including the top mounts. I spent £100 on eBay for a few sensors and niff-naffs. The powder coating, also this is a little bit of a secret because I got it ridiculously cheap. So I have all 4 wheels powder coated, front and rear subframes, as you've seen in the previous episodes. That was a total of £400. To purchase the ECU and to have it remapped, that was £150. The brake lines from OC Motorsport and the clutch line, that was £80. Also, I'm not really supposed to tell you how much that one was. I spent £100 on the service kit. The MOT cost £40. I filled the tank, that was 60 quid. The tracking at Jet Wheel and Tyre, that was 220. And then I spent £15 on nice new car mats. That should, if my maths is correct, give a total of £7,937. I've sold the car. It's going this afternoon for £8,000. Be nice, I suppose, if 100 hours of labour actually added up to some profit. We're not here for profit. we're here to see a old classic car put back on the road and definitely saved. BMW e36. She won the Geneva Motor Show Best Car in 1990 all the way through till the year 2000. 10 years. Every year she was entered, she won. Listen to the sound of that. She goes like a stabbed rat. I am so happy with how this car has turned out. She has not missed a beat, and we have been, not hooning per se, driving sensibly obviously, for the majority of the day, and she has not missed a beat. Fuel economy is great, sounds great, feels great. The gas coilover suspension is really dialed in nicely, thank you Byron. The brakes have been working splendidly. Thank you everyone that helped with that. OC Motorsport for making the lines, which is my not sponsor, Good Guys Garage, who footed the bill for this build. And look out for the next episode of Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage. Thanks for watching this episode. It's been a journey, a long one at that. Too long, some might say. But thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up. If you haven't watched from the beginning, click this link here, that'll be episode 1 up there. It's worth a watch, then follow on if you like it. And please like and subscribe for season 4, which is going to be a bit tasty, a bit more expensive, and a bit better hopefully.